Hello class, this is your subject reasoning. Topic is puzzle. In puzzle, subtopic is sitting arrangement and this video is for classes 9th to 12th. In the topic puzzle, it is lecture number 1. So here I am just discussing the solution of the puzzle sitting arrangement. So your question is that study the following information carefully to answer the questions. On a trade fair, there are 5 stalls, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5, selling different companies' laptop, that is Acer, Toshiba, Lenovo, Dell and HCL, managed by different managers, that is J, K, L, M and N, in which 2 are female. So, out of these 5, 2 are females. They all belong to different cities, Pune, Delhi, Noida, Lucknow and Chandigarh, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, so these are the directions. So now there are some more points, that is Acer laptop is available at stall number 3, manages by manager L, and he does not belong to Pune and Delhi. J is a female and is handling Dell laptop at stall number 2 and she belongs to Chandigarh. Manager K is from Pune and he is not handling with Lenovo. Manager of HCL, who is a male, belongs to Lucknow and he is at stall number 5. Manager from Pune is a male and managing Toshiba. Manager M belongs to Lucknow. The last line is the manager who is from Delhi is at stall number 4. Okay, so this is the situation. You have to arrange these, okay, in the form of a table. So I have arranged these in a table. So this black color text says that this is the information from this situation. Okay, whatever is written in this question, I have just mentioned it. And the green part is showing that I have to just read the question. You have to just read the question and then you have to write. So green mark is showing that. So first you have to read this again. It is clearly saying that in this how many columns should be there. That is, first one is the stall number, then a laptop, then managers and city. So total 4 columns are there. Now you have to, you know the name of the person, you know the stall number, you know laptop name. Okay, everything is there now. Now read from here. This Acer laptop is available as stall number 3 and manages by the manager L. It is clearly mentioned and he does not belong to Pune and Delhi. So this is the third one and it's saying that he does not, mean it is a male. Okay, so the third one is Acer, manager name is L and he does not belong to Pune and Delhi. This P is for Pune and D for Delhi. Okay, so these two cities are not belong to L. L manager. Now read the second one. J is a female. Okay, J is a female and is handling Dell laptop at stall number 2 and she belongs to Chandigarh. So the information of J, everything is there. So you have to mention that laptop is Dell and city is Chandigarh. Now read the next one. Manager K is from Pune and he is not handling with Lenovo. Now it is clear that this Pune, that manager K is from Pune and he is not handling with Lenovo. That Lenovo laptop does not belong to K. Okay, you have to just skip this line now because here only this much information is given. So you just skip it, read the question, read the next line. That is manager of HCL, who is a male, belong to Lucknow and he is at stall number 5. So this is stall number 5. Laptop is HCL, okay, and he is a male that belongs to Lucknow. The manager name is not mentioned here, okay. In this line mention manager name is not mentioned. Now read the next line. That is manager from Pune is a male and managing Toshiba. So it is clear now that manager K is from Pune and here manager from Pune. So the manager is K and that belong to Pune and the laptop is And managing Toshiba, so the laptop is Toshiba. So this information is also there. Now read the next one. Manager M belongs to Lucknow. So you know the city, Lucknow. So you have to write the name of the manager, that is M. Now last line, the manager who is from Delhi is at stall number 4. Okay, so this one is left. So here you have to write the name of the stall, that is Delhi. Now you can see based off these situation, Pune, Chandigarh, Delhi and Lucknow, all the 4 cities have come. Now which city is left? That is Noida. So you have to write the city name. And all the manager name are there. Which one is not there? That is N. So you have to write N. And the laptop, Lenovo is not mentioned there. So you have to write the Lenovo. Okay, now you have to find that in the question it is saying that there are 2 females. Okay, we know the first one, that is J. So you have to find the another one. So who is the other one? Now who is the other female? That is N. Okay, and how will you identify? You have to read the instruction again, that this Acer laptop is managed by the manager L and he means it is a male. This L1. Now read the again next one. This J is a female. It is clearly mentioned here. Now read the next one. Manager K is from Pune and he is not handling Lenovo. So this K is also male. Now manager of HCL, it is clearly mentioned that M is male. Now read the next one. Manager from Pune is a male. Okay, and managing Toshiba, it is clearly mentioned that K is also male. Now the manager who is from Delhi at stall number 4. So the manager who is from Delhi is at stall number 4. So the gender of stall number 4, that is N, is not mentioned. So it is clearly visible that only N is left whose gender is not specified. So you have to write the F. Now this is your question number 1. Which of the following is pair of female? So you can easily identify that this J and N. So this belong to this B part. So here the answer is B. Okay. Now second question. This is question number 2. Who does belong to city Noida? So you can find that third one. Acer L Noida. So here the manager name is there L and number 3. So here the answer of second is A. So when you understand the situation, then you are easily able to give the answer. Okay. So it is mandatory that it is compulsory that you have to understand the situation. Now next is question number 3. Laptop of Toshiba is available on which stall? So Toshiba is available on stall number 1. So here the answer is, that is number 1. Answer is B. Now move to the fourth one. Who is the manager of HCL? It is clearly mentioned that the manager name is M. So the answer is C part. Now question number 5, last one. Which of the following information definitely true with respect to above information? So number 3, Lenovo K Chandigarh. Number 3, no, that is false. Okay. Now check number 5, HCL M Lucknow. Yes. This is B. Now check for other one also. This is number 4 and Dell. No. C is not there. Now D, number 2 and SA. No, it is also incorrect. So the correct one is B part. This B part is correct one. That this is number 5, HCL M and Lucknow. Okay. So I hope you enjoy the video. So you just like and subscribe the channel. So thank you and have a nice day.